to Better Collision. We are here in Bluffton at this brand new location. With me is Jonathan Best, and he is the owner, and Charisse Legette, and she's got something really exciting coming up, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. But Jonathan, tell us a little bit about Better Collision. I know you recently opened. Tell us about this business, and then we're going to get to why we're here today.
Absolutely. We're a local body shop. We started in Charleston, and we stemmed into Beaufort, and this is one of our newest locations we opened here in Bluffton. We're a local first body shop. Most of our guys are from the community, second and third generations. So this is what we do. We fix cars.
So what makes you better?
Better is our mantra. So we set out to create a better experience always with our customers, but not just with our customers, with our employees and the people we interact with in the community. And we do that by focusing on how to wow our customers. We always look for opportunities to do something better, offer something better, do something fun like meet Miss Legette and repair a car and donate it to her. So we're always looking for our next avenue.
Well, it's a beautiful location, so congratulations. But let's talk about what we're doing here today, because you partner with a couple of organizations to refurbish a car and give it to somebody in need, specifically a veteran. So talk to me about that program and how you found Charisse.
Yeah, absolutely. So every time we open a new store, we partner up with an insurance company. In this case, it was USAA. They donated a car to us. Working through NABC and several local vendors, they'll donate the parts and the materials go into the car, and then our team will donate the labor and the time to get the car back into 100% mint condition, and then they will coordinate somebody who is in need of a vehicle. In this case, Miss Legette was a perfect storm, and we can come in and give her something that she needed.
Well, Charisse, thank you for being here today. How exciting, congratulations. Tell me a little bit about the process of how you came to be the recipient of this car today, and give us a little bit about your story.
Thank you. Again, thank you so much, Better Collision. I am so appreciative. I actually was referred to the Recycle Rides program via VBH and my Bill, who is amazing. So I recently was laid off, and my car was total loss within the same year. Being someone with a master's degree, you would think it would be very easy to find a new role, and also with my military experience, but it wasn't. However, Bill was there to help me, and of course, Better Collision was as well. So I am very appreciative, and I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. I'm happy.
Again, congratulations. Thank you for your service, of course. And, it's so heartwarming to see people coming together in the community to help somebody out who obviously is so deserving and had just a bad streak there for a second. So I'm glad for you. Tell us about the car she's going to be receiving today.
It's a 2020 Honda CR-V. I want to. When they donate these cars, by the way, they're not your typical car it's not a total loss, basically. So these it had minimal damages to it. I think it had scratches on it. Some of our team confirmed we had scratches. I think we did some wheel replacement, interior dashboard, but it was a pretty minimal repair. So it was kind of nice, yeah.
Well, I walked by it coming in here today, and it's beautiful.
Yes, it is. Yes,
really
ma'am.
Nice. Yeah. And so tell us about your philosophy in wanting to give back to the community in a way like this.
The philosophy, it's kind of, so going back to our better mantra, everything we're building and everything we're doing is trying to find a way to make our environment better for our customers and then also for our employees. So this is a perfect opportunity we get caught up in the mundane task of fixing cars. So when we get an opportunity to do something different, and it has a feeling reward that is hard to match.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I think it's great. And just in our last few seconds here, tell us a little bit about if by any chance we get a little bump or a bruise on our car, how do we get to you to get it fixed?
Yes, ma'am. You can pull in here, give us a call. We'll set you up an appointment. You can also log in on your phone or online, and you can actually text in an appointment, and it'll come right to our dashboards here, and our team will reach out right away and get you guys in.
Well, Jonathan, thank you so much for spending some time with us today. Congratulations again on your beautiful facility. And Charisse, congratulations on your car, and thank you once again for your service.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.